Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal Universal School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 5. Our today's topic is chapter 6. In chapter 6 we shall solve on CBQ, which is CBQ number 5. My dear student, today is our lecture number 24 of annual term, and today's SW number will be 23. So my dear student, we shall solve CBQ-5 as your CW and it is your SW also. So here CBQ-5 is written on the board. So at first we read the question. Mita bought 2 into 5/6 liter of milk and Mahmud bought 1/3/8 liters. How many liters of milk did they buy in total? Number B, how many liters of milk did Mita buy more than Mahmud? Number C, how many liters of milk is needed to buy if they need 5 liters? My dear students, before starting to solve this math, at first we make a plan how to solve a math. Okay, here some information is given. By using this information we shall solve question number A, B and C. So here Mita bought 2 5/6 liters of milk and Mahmud bought 1/3/8 liters of milk. Question number A asks you to solve how many liters of milk did they buy in total. In total, that means we do addition. That means we add Mita's amount of milk and Mahmud's amount of milk. If we add, then we get the answer of question number A. Question number B, how many liters of milk did Mita buy more than Mahmud? From this question we can easily find that Mita bought more liters of milk. Mita bought more liters of milk and Mahmud bought less liters of milk. So how many liters Mita bought more than Mahmud? We subtract Mahmud's amount of milk from Mita's amount of milk and we get the required amount of answer of question number B. Question number C, how many liters of milk is needed to buy if they need 5 liters? My dear student, notice they need 5 liters, but in total they bought some liters of milk. If we subtract their total amount of milk from these 5 milks, then we get the required answer of question number C. So let us start our class. Question number A. Here, how many liters of milk did they buy in total? So first of all you write given that. Given that. So Mita bought 2 5/6 liters of milk. My dear student, notice this is a mixed fraction. We convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. How can? At first we multiply this integer part and the denominator of the fraction. After that we add 5 with that addition. That means 2 6 are 12. 12 and 5 17. So at first we write 17 and this 6 is here. So Mita bought 17/6 liters of milk. Okay. So Mita's amount of milk is done. Next we shall write Mahmud bought how many liters? Mahmud bought 1/3/8 liters of milk. Notice this is also mixed fraction. We convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So first of all we multiply 1 with 8, 8 ones are 8 and this 3 is added with that 8 and we get 11. 11/8 liters of milk. Now in total they bought how many liters of milk? So we need to find out that amount. So write in total they bought as the word in total is here, so we add these two amount, 17.6 plus 11/8 liters of milk. Dear students, now we do addition here. Okay, first of all we find the LCM of the denominator of the two fraction. Here denominators are 6 and 8. What is the LCM of 6 and 8? Notice how we can find 6 and 8. What is the common divisor? 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. My dear student, notice there is no common divisors between 3 and 4. So we multiply these three number. 2 3s are 6 and 6 4s are 24. So 24 is the LCM of 6 and 8. So write 24. Now we divide this 24 by 6 and we get 4. 4 is multiplied with this 17. If we multiply 17 with 4, then we get 7 4s are 28, carrying 2. 7 4 on the 4 and 2 6, 68. I repeat, 7 4s are 28, carrying 2. 4 on the 4 and 2 6. Okay. Now we divide 24 by this 8. We get 3. 3 is multiplied with this 11 and we get 33. Now we add, my dear student, notice 3 and 8 we get 11, carrying on 6 and 3 9 and carrying on 10. So 101 divided by 24 liters of milk. My dear student, notice this is improper fraction, but the amount given in mixed fraction. So we convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. How can? At first we do division. That means we divide this 101 by 24. My dear student, at first we take 2 digit 10. 10 is smaller than 24. For these reasons we consider this 3 digit. That means 101. In 101, 24 goes in how many times? Let us consider 4. 4 4s are 16, carrying 1. 4 2s are 8 and on 96. Yes. In 101, 24 goes in 4 times. Now we subtract. If we subtract 6 from 11, we get 5, and this carrying 1 is added with this 1, it will be 10. So 0. Here remainder is 5. So we can write 4 into 5 by 24 liters of milk. My dear students, in total they bought 4 into 5 by 24 liters of milk. I hope you have understood, and it is the answer. As we have already done our maths, so we write answer 4 into 5 by 24 liters. I hope you have understood. This is question number A. Okay. Next we shall solve question number B. Question number B is, how many liters of milk did Mita buy more than Mahmud? So here the question give you the information that Mita bought more amount of milks than Mahmud. So we subtract Mahmud's amount from Mita's amount and we get the required amount of answer. So we write question number B and erase this question number A. First of all you write given that Mita bought 2 into 5 by 6 liters of milk. Similar as question number A. We convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 5, 17. 17 by 6 liters of milk. Okay. So Mita's amount is done. Next we shall write Mahmud's amount. Mahmud bought 3/8 liters of milk. So we convert 8 on the 8 and 8 plus 3 11 by 8 liters of milk. Now we subtract this 11 by 8 from 17 by 6 and we get the Mita's more amount. Now write Mita bought more than Mahmud 17 as this one is greater than this one, so we subtract 11 by 8 from 17 by 6 liters of milk. I hope you have understood. Now we subtract. What is the LCM of 6 and 8? The LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. We have already found it in question number A. Okay, now we divide this 24 by 6 and we get 4. This 4 is multiplied with this 17. 7 4 jar 28 carrying 2. 4 on jar 4 and 2 6. So 68. Next we divide 24 by 8 and we get 3. 3 is multiplied with 11 and we get 33 liters of milk. Now we subtract. If we subtract 3 from 8 we get 5. If we subtract 3 from 6 we get 3. 24. This is an improper fraction also. We divide now to make it mixed fraction. 35. So in 35 24 goes in 1 times, that means 24 on ja 24. We subtract 24 from 35. If we subtract 4 from 5 we get 1, 2 from 3 we get 1. So we write 1 into 11 by 24 liters of milk. My dear student, this is the required answer. That means Mita bought 1 into 11 by 24 liters of milk more than Mahmud. I hope you have understood and it is the required answer. You must write answer after completing your solution. Okay? Answer 1 into 11 by 24 liters of milk. So my dear students, I erase question number B to solve question number C. The question number C asks you to find how many liters of milk is needed to buy if they need 5 liters. My dear students, they need 5 liters milk, but in total they bought how many liters of milk? 4 into 4 by 24. So at first we write from A we get they bought in total 4 into 4 by 24 liters of milk. Okay, I convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So at first we multiply this 24 by 4. If we multiply 24 by 4, then we get 4 4 jar 16 carrying 1. 4 2 jar 8 and on 9 96 and added if we add, then we get 4 4 jar 16 and 4 2 jar 8 9, it will be 5 maybe. We check 2 into 5 by 6 plus 1 into 3 by 8, 2 6 17 by 6 plus 8 on the 8 11 by 8, then 24, then we multiply the 4, 4 7 are 28, 68, 33, 24. Okay, 5 by 24. My dear students, 4 into 5 by 24. If we convert it into mixed fraction, then we get 101 by 24. I hope you have understood. Now, liters of milk. They need to buy 5 liters of milk. So we subtract this amount from 5 liters and we get the required amount of milk. They needed 5 minus 101 by 24 liters of milk Okay. Now we do subtraction here. Here we know that every single number has a denominator which is 1. So 1 and 24, the LCM of 1 and 24 is 24. We divide this 24 by 1 and we get 24. 24 is multiplied with this 5. 5 4 are 20, carrying 2. 5 2 are 10 and 2, 120 divided by 110. Now we subtract 101 from 120. Notice 1 to 10 we get 9. This 1 is added with this 0 and it will be 1, and 1 to 2 it will be 1. So 24 liters of milk. My dear students, they need 19 by 24 liters of milk to get 5 liters. So this is the extra milk and it is the required answer. 19 by 24 liters of milk. I hope you have understood this question number C. My dear student, this question is so easy. You notice here we only do simple addition and simple subtraction of fraction. Okay, so you do this math at least 2 times, then it is easier for you to solve. Okay, you must do this CW also your SW. So my dear student, please do your assign SW in your SW copy and submit it regularly by your guardians. Your guardians can submit your SW in our skill library in every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM. So my dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.